Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. We are student of Global English Institute. So today's our event will be held at Belly Park. So for this reason, we are all ready to go to the park. Hey guys, say hi.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। গ্লোবাল ইংলিশ ইনস্টিটিউটের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা। আমরা আজকে আপনাদের প্র্যাকটিক্যাল সেশন এর অংশ হিসাবে পার্ক সম্পর্কে ইংলিশে কথা বলা ও জানার জন্য সরাসরি সুনামগঞ্জ শহরের সুরমা বেলি ডিসি পার্কে ছাত্রছাত্রীদেরকে নিয়ে অনেকগুলো ইভেন্টের আয়োজন করেছি। এতে গ্লোবাল ইংলিশ ইনস্টিটিউটের সম্মানিত সিইও জনাব আবু সাইদ স্যারের নির্দেশনা ও তত্ত্বাবধানে এবং সাইফজন স্যারের সঞ্চালনায় একটি অংশগ্রহণমূলক অনুষ্ঠান ইংলিশে আড্ডা প্রোগ্রামটি শুরু করতে যাচ্ছি। আপনারাও আমাদের ইংলিশে আড্ডা প্রোগ্রামটি শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখতে চোখ রাখুন আমাদের গ্লোবাল ইংলিশ ইনস্টিটিউটের ফেসবুক পেজ ও ইউটিউবে। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
We reached our destination. Wow.
We reached our destination, which is DC Belly Park. So everyone is enjoying individually.
Hello.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon, guys.
So we are at Shurma Belly Park, which is located at Sunamganj.
Sir, can you see something behind of us?
Oh, really? Behind us? Oh, yes, I can see something. So what should I do now? Like I can see like a group of Global English Institute. What they are doing, I don't know. What should we do
Can
now?
we go there, sir, and we can explore?
Yes, then let's explore.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Please. Okay, hi.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can I ask you something, please?
Of course, sir.
Okay, a couple of minutes ago, I saw that like you guys are gossiping here.
Yes.
So may I know the topic, please?
Well, first of all, thank you to the Global Institution for arranging such show and for giving us the opportunity to learn practically. And we were talking about park, like the elements of park or why the people love to come in park. And as well as we were sharing our memories and our opinions regarding the park. So those are the things we were gossiping right now.
Thank you very much. Thank you, miss.
Hello, Miss.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon too.
Can I ask some question?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Why people always come in the park?
Actually, if I say, people come in the park for roaming, relaxing, and for enjoying the environment of park. Because enjoying the most important thing of our life, and I think so that people come in the park for these things.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm looking for another candidate. I will ask something to her. Hi, miss.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can I ask you a question, please?
Yeah, of course, why not?
Okay, so as I can see that you are sitting in the park now, so my question to you that how often do you come in the park?
Actually, I come into the park on a daily basis. It's for sometimes I come to park for morning or evening walk as well as for some exercise. And in the weekend, I come to the park with my friends and family.
Oh, that's really interesting. So can we join with you all guys, please?
Yeah, of course, why not? It will be better to join with us.
Okay, thank you so much. We will join now.
Hello everyone. Actually, I came this park with Global Family, and I never thought that I would be able to participate in such special moments and experience. So thanks to Global English Institute for organizing such a wonderful event, and I learned lots of things from this event. And I think actually it is really essential for every person because by joining this event we can learn lots of things. So that's all about. Thank you.
However, so we are gonna play now a word ball game. So let me introduce the rules of the game. The rules of the game is I have chords.
Hello, we are enjoying our trip. Accompany.
Today I came to this park after a very long time and it is my first time visiting this park. And thanks a bunch to the global family and the teachers for giving me an opportunity to come here. And by coming there, I gained about lots of knowledge and we learned practically. So I think this decision was really great for us to build communication and build a well-being communication between all of the people. So that's all what I can say about right now. And thanks to the global family again. That's all. Hey Saibu, she's my elder sister. Do you know about her? I cannot remember. It's okay. Hey Lisa. Oh, hello Rimi. Hi. How are you? Well, I'm doing very fine. What about you? Yeah. We met after a long time. Yeah, it's been a very long time we have met. What about you? Well, I'm also fine and I came here with my elder sister. Meet her. Her name is Suraya. Hey, and she's my elder sister. Hello Lisa, how are you? Hello Samia, how are you doing? I'm fine. Well, can we discuss a little bit about the park? Obviously, why not? Let's go. Can I ask you a question, ma'am? With me. Do you think park is a perfect place for traveling?
Definitely, park is really important for every person because it is very natural place and the environment is very good.
And also, whenever someone go to new place, then they can build up their knowledge. So it is really essential for every person, and I think every person should take into account about traveling. Yes.
Oh, I also agree with you. Well, Remy, it's been a very long time we have met.
Yes.
Should we go to any kinds of rides?
Of course, let's go.
Let's go and enjoy.
Hey, bro, how do you feel?
So crunchy.
So crunchy. So sweet. Oh, wow. Great.
Okay, first of all, I just want to thank the Global Institution for arranging this such a program. From this program, we learned a lot of things.
Okay, so we are gonna complete our program very soon. So it's time for having some food, and most probably we are gonna have fuska today. And as far as I know, it's a one kind of favorite food of girls, not maybe for boys. Maybe
To talk about my feelings, so I came to the Sunamganj Park with a global institution family. So I really very happy because this day is unforgettable for me.
Right now, we are exploring the night view of this park, and it's really outstanding and eye-catching, and we are enjoying it very much. Yes, and we can see the park is decorated by the gorgeous light, which is looking very nice. And also, we see that there are lots of children who play with their friends, as well as they spend their time with their parents. Actually, those moments are really red letter for them, and also we enjoy very much. Yes, and there are lots of rides, so I guess the children are enjoying very much. And the flowers added to the beauty, and the fragrance of the flower is enhancing the beauty of this park more. Yes.
Well, I would like to thank the Global English Institution for arranging this beautiful program today. And today we had many special events for our lives, and it would be very helpful and beneficial for our future lives. And today we had fun, chatted with one another, and we played many types of games. And although many types of games brought our joy level in a unique level, and that I think today's enjoyment and today's beautiful event, that flowing river, today's and everything, today's beautiful event that makes our mind very fresh and enjoyable, and I think that is very important for us. And I think it will be a very memorable piece of our mind. And at last, I am praying for everything good luck, and thank you.